we took part in the Night of European Researchers, in which a lot of people gathered around in this exercise of scientific dissemination. So we were part of a project called Exploradores de Emociones, or Emotions Explorers, and this was part of the Between and Within project. So the idea of Between and Within is to disseminate science. My name is Cesar Mantilla. I am a professor at Universidad Loyola Andalucía, and I am part of the Loyola Behavioral Lab. Both children and their parents and any other participant could take the test and then help us plot the results together. Most of the people did quite well in the test, but on top of doing well in the test, they have expectations around that number. It will be great when we just explore the data at another level just to see what happened at the different ages and see if these beliefs are improving over time.